Hi, good morning everybody. It's Chris Sheldon at A&R Supply Company in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Just doing another video to highlight another product that we carry in our store here in Albuquerque and also carry at our web store at www.arsupplyco.com. And that is the Truckmount garden hose adapter. And this allows you to get water from a standard garden hose and plug straight into your truck mount so that your truck mount can have a fresh water supply. We always recommend having a couple of these on your van at all times because these do break sometimes, or sometimes we lose them, and it's very difficult when you get out to a job site and you don't have the adapter so you can get fresh water to your machine. So if you don't have two of these on every carpet cleaning van you have, I would highly recommend having it. It's a very important piece to your operation. Basically, it's all brass construction, and we assemble these here at the store. There's nothing to them. It's basically just a 3/8 male quick connect and a brass garden hose adapter. And the garden hose adapter fits all standard 3/4 inch male garden hose fittings. And you can see it comes with the gasket so it won't leak. And again, we assemble these before we ship them out, so we'll have Teflon tape on it. The quick connect will be all tightened down and good so it doesn't leak when you get it. So again, these are very important. It's very good to have extras. So just go to our web store and order, or you can give us a call at 505-872-9702 and we can ship these out to you quickly. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.